1. Lie flat on your back on an exercise mat. 2. Place your hands flat on the floor beside your hips, palms down. This helps provide stability. 3. Raise your head, shoulders, and upper back slightly off the ground. Keep your neck neutral. 4. Lift both legs off the ground so your thighs are perpendicular to the floor and knees are bent at 90 degrees. 1. Extend your right leg out straight at about a 45-degree angle, keeping it just above the ground. 2. Simultaneously bend your left knee and bring it in toward your chest. 3. As your legs switch positions, like pedaling a bicycle, alternate. Left leg straightens while right knee bends in. 4. Keep your core tight. Back flat on the mat. Don't let your lower back arch. 5. Breathe steadily. Exhale as you extend a leg. Inhale as you switch. Do not yank your head forward. Your core should do the work. Engage your abs continuously to keep your upper body off the floor. Move your legs in a controlled and deliberate cycling motion. Keep hips stable. Avoid rocking side to side. If you want to increase difficulty, slow down the tempo or add ankle weights. Please check my next video.